Hey guys, I discovered there's a bird in my kitchen. Let's go see what he has to say. What are you doing up there? No. What are you doing? What are you doing? You gotta get something out of here. Oop. Why, you need something out of here? Need something out of here? I just washed those. They're clean. They were. What are you doing? Oops. I didn't mean to scare you. Oh. I can't come play too? I can't come and play too? What are you doing? Where are you going? Can I play too? Alright. Come on.